welcome back. Today we're making jelly soap. Make sure to like and subscribe before we get started. Okay, you are subscribed. For the ingredients you need for it, you'll need some salt, unflavored gelatin, and soap and hot water. Let's get started. First, you're gonna grab your bowl and add hot water. Wipe. Good. Then you're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, and then you're gonna stir it until it dissolves. It dissolved. Now you're gonna add your unflavored gelatin. You'll only need one packet. Then you're gonna stir it. Yellow. But this time it's hand soap. So make sure not to eat. It's not dissolving yet. It looks like an egg yolk. Almost there. It's taking a very long time for some reason. Now guys, you're gonna take the top off your soap. Just want to use up the soap. Ready? Then you're gonna pour in the soap. Not all of it. Like this, that much. A little more. That's good. There we go, guys. And then you can stir. It's starting to feel weird. Oh, water still. It's just a spoon. After you mix it very well, you're gonna get your mold and add some of it to it. I'm using this Easter egg mold. Oopsies. Spill a little. Okay guys, I had to change it to a different container. Now I can use all of it. There we go, guys. Okay, guys, I had a little extra left, so now we're gonna make mini soaps with this gummy bear, lion, monkey, worm, and penguin mold. Let's get that done. Okay, let's do the worm. There we go. There we go. That's good. We're just gonna put it in the refrigerator overnight and I'll show you the results later. Hi guys, welcome back again. And it's been a few days for this gummy soap and it's still slimy. But time to pop them out.
I think I know what we
Make sure
did
to like
wrong.
and subscribe.
I think I know what we did wrong.
What did we do wrong, assistant?
We used 2 cups of water and 1 packet of gelatin. We were supposed to use a half a cup of water and 2 packets of gelatin. But we can still see how it turns out.
Time to. Oh, it's popping out. I broke it. But it still did the shape, guys.
See the worms.
Let's pop
You
up
can
the
just
one.
flip it over.
Oh, it broke. Okay, guys, we'll have to redo these, but I'm still popping these out. Careful with the gummy bear. I think I broke the gummy bear already trying to pop it out. See, this is the gummy bear. There we go. Don't pick it up, guys, like this. This was a fail. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like for more like this. Bye!